the month of October is caring. Students can show caring by being kind,
Be compassionate.
and show that you care. Express gratitude. Forgive others. And help people in need.
Students can show caring at school by
Helping a friend in need.
holding a door open for someone.
Playing with a new friend at recess. When people are down, help them back up. You need help up?
Yeah. Thank you.
Give everyone a turn. Be a bucket filler. Not a bucket dipper.
Show caring at home by
Helping out with chores.
without being asked.
Be nice to your sisters or brothers. Take care of your family pets. Be nice to the adults you live with. Students can show caring in the community by being the best person you can be. Spread kindness like confetti. Say please and thank you. Help others wherever you go. Be a good listener. Hug people when they're sad. Always remember to be a bulldog of character.